So question comes to my mind. If I'm a passive investor, why should I pay attention to this strategy? And how would it help me identify the best opportunities?
Yeah, that's a great question. So there's a lot of different ways we can kind of tackle this, but you're in the multifamily world, right? When I tell people who are building self-storage units or they're building multifamily or they're in the commercial world, right? Commercial's a broad spectrum because you're renting to specific businesses. You are in whatever business your tenant is in. That is the business that you're in. And so how successful that business is how successful you are. And so you want to make sure that your tenant or your customer, whoever you are servicing, like we build a lot of entry-level single-family homes. Our customer are first-time home buyers or very large builders like D.R. Horton and Lennar, where we develop and sell the land to them. And so you want to make sure that the environment your customer is in is successful.